Hello children, how are you all? Today once again we are here with a new lesson and that is about water. Okay children, so here can you see few things? Yes, now here I am having a bottle in my hand and what you fill in the bottle? Yes, when you go to school you carry water bottle with you. Why? Because when you feel thirsty, what you drink? Yes, we drink water. Okay, so all of you look on the board. Our lesson is lesson number 14, water. The first line is, we need water to live. Okay, tell me children, can we live without water? No. What happens if we don't drink water? Yeah, our throat get dry and we feel like having water, right? So, we cannot live without water. So, we need water to live. To live, we need water. We cannot live without water. It is not possible for us to live without water. Now, all living things need water. Okay, all living things means children? Animals. Animals need water. They cannot live without water. We human beings, we also need water. We cannot live without water. Same way, plants, they also need water. What happens when you don't water the plants? Yes, it will get dry and it will die. So, all the living beings need water. Water is very useful. It is very useful because for each and everything we need water. Okay. Now, here we are going to learn different uses of water. Okay. Can you see this girl? What she is doing? Yes, she is having a glass of water in her hand. And what she is doing, children? Yes, she is drinking the water. What she is doing? She is drinking. So, we need water for drinking. For what we need water? We use water for drinking. All of you drink water, right? Now, look at the next picture. Okay, what is the lady doing? She is doing something. She is cooking. And for cooking, have you seen your mummy cooking? Yes. So, what she use when she cooks? Yes, she use water. So, for cooking also we use water. Now, look at the next picture. Yes. Now, here what mummy is doing? She is cleaning vessels. She is washing the dish. So, for washing also what we need children? Yes, we need water. What we need children? Yes, so we use water for washing also. Now, all of you take bath, right? Yes. When you take bath, what do you use? Correct, we use water. We cannot take bath without water. For taking a bath, we need water. So, we use water for, yes, for drinking, for cooking, for washing and for bathing. For these all activities, we need water. Even for cleaning, even for mopping. For each and every activities, we use water. Okay, now here we are having a few questions, okay, and you have to listen properly and answer properly children. Why do we need water? Yeah, that was our first sentence. Why do we need water? We need water to live. Why do we need water children? Correct, we need water to live. Okay, write few uses of water. Here we have learned few uses of water. Now, you have to think and tell me, we use water for what children? Yes, we use water for cooking, we use water for drinking, we use water for washing and we use water for bathing. So, for all these activities, even for cleaning, for watering the plants, for each and every activities we use water. So, what you are going to do? Here you are going to write only few uses of water. So, now children you know water is very important for us. So, from this lesson what we have learned? That without water we cannot live. For each and every activities, to do each and every work we need water. So, what we must do? We have to be a good children. We must not waste water and we must try and save water. So, what you are going to do children? From today onwards you are not going to waste water. You have to be a good children and you have to learn this and study well. Okay children, bye.